Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I am sending out for the April mail. These videos are pre-recorded, so they do go up quite a bit later than when things get sent out, just to give you an idea, because I may already be sending out May Penpal mail. I'm not really sure. And if you're curious, you haven't seen my videos before, this mail goes to my patrons. I am sold out right now, but I may be able to open up spots like by the time this video is up, so I'll have my link down below if you wanted to check that out. And otherwise, I want to just be able to give you guys ideas for your own Penpal mail, and you guys really seem to like these videos when I share what I'm sending out. So I have 4 different tiers, and each tier gets a certain different amount of things in the Penpal mail. So I'm actually going to show you those 4 different tiers today. And let's go ahead. Actually, I have 5, but I grouped the last 2 together. So the first 2 tiers is mostly, basically it's just like a postcard a month, but a lot of times I will still include something extra, something like a little sample of what I was making for the bigger Penpal packages. So here's the example. This was the postcards that I'm sending out this month. They're all actually assorted, but this is the one that this package is getting. I have these addressed also, and that's why they're upside down, just so you know. And then what I made, so there's a little letter too that goes to everyone, and for any newer patrons I include like a personalized letter, and then I also include extra goodies. So yeah, that just all depends on what I have at the time. So then I made these layered embellished library cards this month, and so there you go. I actually made a video showing how I made these as well. That should be up by now, I would think. So then we'll put this back. And then the next tier is going to get the postcard, the library card, and another item, which in this case is a piece of the snippet roll that I created on one of my videos as well. So here's the postcard that this recipient is getting. Now, I didn't write anything on the back because these are so pretty. I wanted them to be able to use these in whatever way that they wanted, so I just couldn't do it. So again, I do write a little letter that I print out, and they will get that. So here is theirs. So obviously each library card is going to be different. None of them are the same, so you're getting actual handmade items, which makes it really fun, and everything's unique. Oh, for some reason, I think I put an extra one in here actually because this person was a newer patron, and so like I said, I include a little extra. So just keep that out of your mind real quick, just so you can kind of get a good idea of what the normal tiers would get. And then in this package is the piece of snippet roll, and you'll see in the next 2 tiers they also get snippet rolls, but each one's obviously different because everyone's getting just a piece of this 15-foot snippet roll that I made. And so this is a good size. You can put this on a page in your journal to create a pocket. You could cut it into 2 and use it for 2 different like decorations. Obviously it can be used in a number of ways. And I have used snippet rolls in my journals a handful of times on my channel. I don't know if I have one dedicated to showing uses for snippet rolls, and I get a lot of questions. So I probably should, just because even though I've done it in my videos, I don't think I have anything titled like uses for snippet rolls. So I'll try to get that out to you guys when I can. Okay, so this is the next tier, and so again, I package things different too as we move up. And so again, they will get a postcard this month, and it's not always postcards. Sometimes it's a tag, sometimes it's a handmade postcard. The decorated library card, the little letter, of course, the snippet roll, and this is, I can go ahead and take this out just to give you a better look. That's theirs. And then this tier also gets a 5-piece journal kit, and it's basically just little pieces of ephemera and things like that that you can use in your journal. So I'll show you what's in this one. They're all very similar. There is a little glassine bag or a vellum bag little red ticket, some like bus tickets, library card, and a little envelope. And then the last tier, it's very limited just because they get the most, and so like right now I have, I think, 8 patrons at this level, and it's already like a little too much a little too much for me. I mean, it's fine, but I'm just saying that's why this tier tends to stay sold out. Okay, so this one, again, I packaged these all differently, and this is the biggest tier, so I did spend a little bit more time on the decorating portion of this one, so I just washi taped this so I could open it up to show you guys. But there's a fun little bag topper on this one, and just holds all of the goodies. And so I'll try to start again at the bottom here. So again, the postcard, the library card, and sometimes I might just include like 2 library cards or 2 of something rather than 2 different things, but every month is completely different. The little letter. And then this tier either gets 2 pieces of the snippet roll, or depending on where it was, or double the size. Get the 5-piece journal kit with the same types of things that you just saw in the last one. Again, they might vary a little bit, but usually just about the same. And then the extra things that they get this month are 2 wallpaper tags. And you can use these, as just wallpaper swatches if you want, or as tags. I don't write anything on the back of them. These ones are fun because it has kind of like a velvet and then a really like shiny kind of print. And the wallpaper prints will vary from bag to bag. And then 2 pieces of coffee dyed paper are in this one as well. And I just fold them in half, so that they can fit in here easily. So that is everything for this one. And whoops, I actually just got done at the post office and sent out all of my packages except for these ones to show you guys, and holy moly, this month I had 48 packages to send out. I was really blown away, totally blown away at the support, and I just can't believe that so many people want to be one of my patrons. I quite honestly didn't think that anyone would ever sign up to do this, and so it's quite the surprise when I keep getting more and more. I really wish that I could open up more spots, but like, I'm one person and I'm actually making these handmade items, and I know that if I overdo it, then I'm gonna rush on these things, and I definitely don't want to do that because I want everyone to feel like they're getting their special mail. But that's all for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.